Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to finish up the mini truck. I'm going to get the cab put back together, get the door hung, get all the guts put in it. So let's get going. I like using this cavity wax here. This is from 3M. There's 3 different ones. This is the short one. I'll put the link in the description. Door open and closes good. Got a real good line in there. Happy with that. Paint looks like it matches pretty good, although there's not much to match it up with. A little panel up here and this bedside, but it looks good. And this white doesn't really show up too much, but it's got a nice shine to it. Very little orange peel, very little dust. Doesn't need to be buffed. Looks good. That'll wrap up the series on repairing this door and cab panel on a truck. Probably not the last time you're going to see this truck on the channel. I may have some other plans with it in the future, but that'll be down the road. If you like this series, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Remember, hit that subscribe button if you already haven't, and thanks for watching.